Hi! Well, I didn't notice that my video got 500 likes, so I'm sorry for the delay of this tutorial, but there we go. This is the step-by-step explanation of the tab for Put Your Hand on My Shoulder by Paul Anka. If you have not seen the original video that I uploaded, you can check it out right here, so that way you know what we're going to do in this one. And yeah. This is Ficuscio, by the way. I like him because he have the same haircut as mine. Alright, let's go. Alright, the first thing we have to mention here is that this song is in 6/8, which means that we're counting like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every bar that you see here is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we start with the G. But instead of the original way we grab it, we're grabbing it like this with the pinky on the 5th fret. Alright, on the 5th fret of the A string. So if I want to fill this bar with strums, it will sound like this. Down, 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 down. Okay, so we have the G, and after that we go to E minor. But the accent is more like on the 4th fret of the C string, pretty much just the E note. Okay, and after that we go on this ukulele. I have a marker here on the 10th fret. I don't have here, so you don't see where it is, but from the top you can see it right here. So this is 10th fret, 9th fret is just before that. Okay, I hope it's visible, and I hope you have it on your ukulele, because this is a big jump and it's really helpful when you have something to aim at. All right, so 8, 5, 8, and after that we move the pinky on the 7th fret, and with the pointing finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. This is the A minor with a little bit of E inside. Alright, if this is a big stretch for you, you can replace this with this shape of A minors. So from bottom to top, 7, 8, 9, 9. But it will be better if you do the stretch, alright? Because after that, the next chord, the D sharp diminished, we'll bar on the 2nd fret and with the pinky on the 6th. Okay? And after that we do 2nd on the E string to 5th on the E string again, and then we get back to G. Alright, let's see the first part slowly. Alright, and after that we get back to G. And here on G we are counting 1, 2, 3, 1. And on the 2nd, 2 and 3, we're with the pointing finger on the 2nd fret and then on the 5th fret. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and after that we go to C with the pinky on the 7th fret. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The same thing, but instead of 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay, and we get back to G, which I'm just strumming once, getting quiet, and after that the melody starts. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, and we go to the verse, for which we bar on the 7th fret and with the ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string. Okay, and after that we release it. Okay, and then we put it back, and also we put the pinky here on the 10th fret and we do A string, E string, A string, and getting back to A minor, and then 3, 5, and here is maybe the trickiest part, going to D sharp diminished 7 from top to bottom, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, and here we have a fast move. So we play this chord, and after that I kind of bend my hand, so just the middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then I grab the D chord. Alright, so this might require a little bit of practice on its own. Or if you do the D with 3 fingers. But I think it's way easier if you can do it with 1 finger. Alright, so let's take a look at the beginning of the verse. Okay? And then we get back to G, but we're not playing the A string at first, okay? And then A string, and then E minor. And really quickly going to the 9th fret just for this tone. Now, if this is making it too hard, you can just keep the 9th fret here. But I think it's a nice touch. And after that, going back to A minor, and then 3, 5, and again, D sharp diminished to D, the same thing, okay? And going back to G, to E minor, this time on the 5th fret. And now the A minor is with the 3rd fret of the A string, and then D directly. 3rd fret of the E string, and then we are going to the last line of the verse, for which we're playing G, and after that on the A string we're doing 5, 2, 5, and then C with the 7th fret of the A string, 3, 5, and we play the G like this, and we start the 2nd verse. But before that, let's do the first one slowly. Alright, and we start the second one, which is almost exactly the same. We have very small difference. Alright, so let's go through it. Here's the difference. On E minor we're doing 1, 2, and on 3 we are going on the 5th fret and we are doing 5, 9, 5, 9. Alright? And after that it continues the same. Here on the E minor just the 5th fret. And after that A minor with the 3rd fret. And here D sharp diminished 7 but with the A string open. Okay? And then E string 3rd fret. And then D but without the A string, and after that only the A string. So this bar only is. Alright? And after that we go to the G. 2 times on the 5th fret, and after that on the C 7th fret. Here is another stretch that you can, if it's too hard for you, you can just not do it, but I like it. To grab the G and from the 7th fret to 5th fret. Alright? And then we're going to G7, for which the E string should be instead of the 3rd fret on the 1st fret. So, alright? And after that we go to the bridge. Now on the bridge we start with the D and we're doing a strumming here, like down, up, down, down, like this. I'm muting. I'm putting my fingers here on the string so they mute, like this. Alright? After the second bar, we play just a little bit the E string 3rd fret and we go to G. before the next bar, we play just the A string, 2nd fret, and again. Then E string, 3rd fret again, and going back to D. Open A string, and another strum. Then E string, 3rd fret, and G. A string, 2nd fret. And here's maybe the trickiest and the coolest sounding part in the song. We go to F sharp 7. Okay, F sharp 7 is from top to bottom 3, 4, 2, 4. Okay? I'm grabbing it like this: middle finger, ring finger, pointing finger, pinky. And we do the same. Down, up, down, down, and after that muting. And before going to the next bar, the A string only, and then the same thing. And then going to B minor, but the pinky on the 5th fret. And then on A7, but we're grabbing it the same way as F sharp 7, but a little bit higher. Alright, so 6, 6, 7, 5, 7 from top to bottom. Okay? And after that, on the last bar of A7, what I do is I'm barring right here, so I remove the pinky at one point. Alright, so I'm doing 3 down strums with the pinky, 2 down strums without the pinky, and the last is with the pinky again. And we go to the D chord, for which we're avoiding the G string, and we're grabbing it like a G chord, but up here. 9, 10, 9. Down, 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 down. And then we're doing D7. The E string should be, instead of the 10th fret, should be the 8th fret. And again, avoiding the G string. And on the last one, which is actually the next bar, I'm doing this slide. Okay, a little pause and starting verse 3. And after that, A minor with the 3rd fret, then open 2, and then the D sharp diminished with the open A string, and then E string 3rd fret, D without the A string, and then only A string, and then G. Tell me to see that you love me too. Alright, so pretty much that's it. I hope it was clear enough. Download the PDF. This will make it a lot easier for you to learn it. And thanks so much for watching this video. And I'll see you pretty soon with another one. Okay, bye bye.